Want an easy way to see your daily activity in one place? With the daily activity card in the Samsung Health app, you can check your step, active time, and calories burned in a simple view. Here's how to use it. Open Samsung Health app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. On the dashboard, look for the daily activity card. This card shows your step, active time, activity calorie, and a colorful heart-shaped graph. Tap this card to see the details. At the top, you will see your daily activity history. Below that, the heart-shaped graph shows how close you are to reaching today's goal. Scroll down, and you will see your step per goal, active time per goal, and activity calories per goal. Keep scrolling to check total burn calories and distance while active. Per graph of your step, active time, and activity calories by the hour. At the bottom, you will find extra details like motion, floors, and active hours, time for exercise time and rest each hour activity times, and calories for exercise calories. This gives you a complete picture of your daily activity so you can stay motivated and healthy. And if you pair with a Galaxy Watch, the data is even more accurate. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.